Hello, YouTube family. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a fascinating journey around the globe to explore the most advanced and awe-inspiring megaprojects. From towering skyscrapers to sustainable cities and cutting-edge transportation systems, these projects are pushing the boundaries of innovation and redefining the future. So, buckle up as we embark on the most advanced megaprojects in the world. Our first stop is the new administrative capital in Egypt, where the iconic tower stands tall, symbolizing modernity and architectural excellence. With a staggering cost of $4.4 billion, this marvel is not just a building, it's a statement of Egypt's progress into the future. From its futuristic design to its breathtaking views, the iconic tower is a testament to the commitment to innovation in the heart of Egypt. Let's dive deeper into the details of this extraordinary structure. Next on our list is Nusantara, a $52 billion megacity nestled in the lush landscapes of Borneo, Indonesia. Promising sustainable urban development, Nusantara is not just a city, it's a vision for the future. In this megacity, green initiatives and sustainable practices are at the forefront. Join us as we explore the harmony between nature and urban living in Nusantara. Now, let's soar to new heights with the $810 million Seal Tower in Dubai. This architectural gem is reshaping Dubai's skyline with its futuristic design and unparalleled luxury. From its breathtaking exterior to its luxurious interiors, Seal Tower is a symbol of opulence and innovation. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets behind this iconic structure. Our journey now takes us to India, where the $3.1 billion Navi Mumbai International Airport is set to become a key hub for connectivity and economic growth. This megaproject is not just about runways and terminals, it's about transforming the region's economy and connecting communities. Let's explore the significance of Navi Mumbai International Airport. Moving on to Mexico, where the $41 billion Tren Maya is weaving through the Yucatan Peninsula, connecting archaeological wonders and fostering regional development. This ambitious project is more than just a train line, it's a journey through history and a catalyst for growth. Join us as we uncover the marvels of Tren Maya. In Japan, Toyota's $1.5 billion woven city is redefining urban living as a smart and sustainable experiment. Let's take a closer look at this innovative city of the future. From autonomous vehicles to AI-powered homes, Woven City is a glimpse into the future of urbanization. Stay with us as we explore the cutting-edge technologies that make this city unique. Now, let's venture into Neom, a futuristic $1.19 billion city in Saudi Arabia that's pushing the boundaries of technology and innovation. Welcome to Neom Sindala. Neom is not just a city, it's a living laboratory for innovation. Join us as we uncover the groundbreaking technologies shaping the future in Neom. Our next destination is the heart of Chongqing, China, where the International Land-Sea Center is an undisclosed cost megaproject bridging land and sea. Let's explore the mysteries of this groundbreaking initiative. From its strategic location to its transformative impact on connectivity, the International Land-Sea Center is a testament to China's commitment to infrastructure development. Join us as we unveil the secrets behind this megaproject. Shifting our focus to cultural heritage, let's witness the restoration of the iconic Notre Dame Cathedral. This monumental project is preserving centuries of history and craftsmanship. The restoration of Notre Dame is not just about rebuilding a structure, it's about preserving a symbol of cultural heritage. Stay with us as we delve into the intricate work behind this remarkable endeavor. Now, let's explore Museo Egizio, a cultural hub in Egypt dedicated to preserving the country's rich history. Join us as we take a journey through the artifacts and stories housed within this remarkable museum. Museo Egizio is more than just a museum, it's a treasure trove of Egypt's past. Stay tuned as we uncover the fascinating tales behind the exhibits. Shifting our focus to infrastructure, let's unearth the ambitious South-North Water Transfer Project in China, a groundbreaking endeavor reshaping the country's landscape. This massive water transfer project is not just about meeting water demands, it's about transforming the geography of China. Join us as we explore the scale and significance of this engineering marvel. Now, let's delve into the transformative Crossrail project in London, connecting the city with unprecedented efficiency. Join us as we explore the underground network that's changing the way Londoners travel. Crossrail is more than just a transportation project. It's a game-changer for London's connectivity. Stay with us as we uncover the complexities and innovations behind this transformative initiative. Crossing over to the dynamic regions of Hong Kong, Zhuhai, and Macau, let's explore the $18.8 billion bridge connecting these vibrant cities. Welcome to the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge. This bridge is not just a physical connection, it's a testament to regional cooperation and development. Join us as we traverse the length of this impressive structure. Our next stop is Japan, where the Chuo Shinkansen, an advanced magnetic levitation train project, is set to revolutionize high-speed rail travel. Buckle up as we explore the future of transportation. Chuo Shinkansen is not just about speed, it's about efficiency and sustainability. Stay with us as we dive into the technology powering this futuristic transportation system. Let's now explore the architectural marvel of Beijing's International Airport. With its grand design and state-of-the-art facilities, Beijing Airport is setting new standards for air travel. This airport is not just a gateway, it's a reflection of China's commitment to excellence. Join us as we take a closer look at the features that make Beijing Airport stand out. Our journey continues to Paris, where the Grand Paris Express is expanding the city's rapid transit network. Join us as we witness the evolution of Parisian transportation. Grand Paris Express is not just about convenience, it's about shaping the future of urban mobility in one of the world's most iconic cities. Stay with us as we explore the underground labyrinth of this transformative project. Now, let's learn about Libya's massive water supply endeavor, the Great Man-Made River Project. Join us as we uncover the engineering marvel that's providing water to vast regions in the Libyan desert. This project is not just about quenching thirst, it's about transforming arid landscapes into fertile grounds. Stay with us as we explore the challenges and triumphs of the Great Man-Made River Project. Our next destination is Riyadh, where Green Riyadh is leading the way in sustainable initiatives for a greener future. Join us as we explore the eco-friendly projects transforming the Saudi capital. Green Riyadh is not just about aesthetics, it's about building a sustainable future. Stay with us as we uncover the green initiatives that are reshaping the urban landscape of Riyadh. Our final stop takes us to Beijing, where the China Philharmonic Concert Hall is set to become a grand cultural landmark. Join us as we unveil the architectural grandeur of this upcoming concert hall. The China Philharmonic Concert Hall is not just about music, it's about creating a space for cultural expression and artistic excellence. Stay with us as we explore the design and cultural significance of this magnificent project. Today's big question: the most advanced megaprojects in the world. From towering skyscrapers to sustainable cities, these projects are shaping the future of our world. Which megaproject impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.